My name is Brent Greiner. I'm the Vice President of Technical. I've been with the company for over 23 years. C&G is a blown and cast film producer for a lot of markets, including food direct, medical, industrial, agricultural, and we also have an immense focus on sustainability. I think clever represents C&G really well. We are very unique. We are very clever. We pursue things that a lot of other companies wouldn't. I think that's what sets us apart. I prefer the situations where we as a company excel because you've created the environment for people to push themselves and challenge themselves. And when you know everyone around you is doing their very best, makes you doing your best that much better. And that's where I see success. My name is Brent, and I encourage everyone at C&G to own their moment.